All right, Turkish etiquette, and here there is business, friendship, and common Turkish behaviors. Business and friendship, you can read them by yourself. Okay, hospitality is common in Turkey. People like to welcome other people and offer them help, support. Yeah, usually. Strong family values. It's traditional family, usually. Patriotism. This is, yes, you will notice flags everywhere, you will be surprised. People love the country, would like to protect the country, and work for the country. Yeah. And there are many people who are religious, and yes, and there are people who are not religious. Tea culture is, you will notice, people love tea, and there are tea houses for men to just drink tea and talk. Yeah, drinking tea is a way of socializing. Expressive communication is, yes, Turkish people are expressive with body language and emotional expressions. Like if someone is angry, they can act angry. Even they can, some people can intentionally act angry also. Yeah. It's a different way of showing power in Turkey. Like showing emotions, only powerful people can do this. There is an understanding in Turkey like that. But in some parts of the world, showing emotions looks like a foolish thing to do. But it depends if you have control while you are showing this emotion, then it is strength. Gender roles, traditional gender roles are prominent, and there is man and woman. That's it. So we will go to do's and don'ts.